This is the final video to fix blur effect not working in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. And if your blur refuses to show, looks unchanged, or simply does nothing after you drag it in, this is exactly for you. Are you trying to blur a face, a background, or a clip, but nothing happens no matter what you click? This problem usually happens because of small setting conflicts, layer order issues, effect controls not being active, or project settings that block the blur from showing correctly. The software is powerful, but one tiny mismatch can stop the whole effect from working. Most videos on YouTube make this harder than it needs to be. They use big words, jump between menus too fast, or give long explanations that confuse you even more. That is why on Rexist, I keep things simple and clear. In this video, I will show you 4 proven methods to fix this problem, and I promise at least one of them will work for you, even if the issue feels very serious or completely broken. Do not skip ahead. Pause the video after each method and try it step by step on your own project, or take screenshots so you can follow carefully. I will not overload you with extra talk. Just focus and test each method one by one until the blur starts working again. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.